In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Wrike, a process that should take just about 5 minutes. If you've been navigating Wrike and want to switch to a different language for a more comfortable experience, or to explore the platform in a native tongue, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Wrike. If you already have Wrike bookmarked, feel free to use that shortcut. For everyone else, simply typing Wrike into your search bar will get you there quickly. Click on the official Wrike website link from your search results to go directly to the site. Once the page has loaded, you'll see options to either log in or try Wrike for free. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Log In. If you're new to Wrike and just testing it out, you can select Try Wrike for free. Either choice will get you into the platform where your language settings can be adjusted. Once you're inside and you see your Wrike workspace, glance over to the sidebar where your profile picture is located. Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options for personalizing your Wrike experience. After clicking Settings, your profile settings should open up. By default, you'll be here, so no need to search for it. Scroll down a bit until you reach the section labeled Workspace Settings. Within this section, look for Language and Region Settings. This is the area where you can change how Wrike talks to you. Next, you need to click on the Language option. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with a list of available languages that Wrike supports. Browse through this list until you find the language you wish to switch to. Click to select your desired language. This step is crucial for ensuring that all navigation and instructions within Wrike are presented in the language you prefer. Finally, once you've selected your language, make sure to click Save Changes to ensure your new language settings are applied. If you forget to save, the settings will revert, and you'll have to repeat the process. Once saved, you should immediately see the changes reflected throughout your Wrike interface. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Wrike. This can make managing projects and collaborating with teams much more seamless when everything is in a language you are comfortable with. Remember, you can always revisit these settings anytime if you need to make further adjustments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.